Hey, 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 it's your girl jovenalove, back with another video. Welcome back, welcome back. How you doing, my busy bee? Staying busy, I hope. Keeping it sexy, child. We try to always, and today I have a PR package from the sponsor of Battle of the Brushes on TikTok, Maine. Let's get into it. Look how pretty it is for one. Super cute and personal. She wrote a note. And it came beautifully wrapped. So I'm gonna unwrap her. Ooh, right on the top. Let's just save the whole thing. So right on the top is the owner of the company. Her name is Tasha DePriest, and the name of the company is To Die for Lashes. This is her card. Go ahead and scan that Scantron so you guys can give her a follow. Use the code BOTB, all caps, to save you some coin. If lashes are in the title of the company, you know I'm there for it. You know I'm there for it. Right on the top is a beautiful everyday pair of lashes. Come on, Symptomatic. I'm trying to get it to go clear. There we go. When it focuses on my face, that's when you guys can't see anything. Dang it. I'm trying to get them to focus, really am. I hope you guys, let me take it out of its package. And it is in the style Gorgeous. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the box in my face. This is the style Gorgeous. I hope that cleared it up a little bit. And it's 3DA02. Next, she enclosed in with the lashes a wand or tweezers and a wand. Spoolie one. Also, what you gonna do without some lash adhesive from Kiss, and the piece de resistance, and it is brand new, never been seen, newly debuted through us. I'm so honored. Her new product, this beautiful palette. Comes in a slip cover, and it has 3 sides. Look at that. Look at that. Leave it in the comments. Can you guess which colors are screaming my name? Let's give it a little swatch. This blue, the purple, and some of this yellow glitter. Super buttery. Oh, I didn't swatch with that finger. There. Oh yeah. There we go. Thank you so much to Die for Lashes.com and LLC. And thank you to Battle of the Brushes. I can't wait to play with this on Thursday. If you guys didn't already know, I'm going to tell you again. I battle July 6th at 4:30 on TikTok. Please drop by, support your girl. It's Battle of the Brushes Maine on TikTok. I will see you all there, showing your support, showing love, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.